If you feel weaker than before, if climbing stairs feels harder, or if your arms and legs have lost strength as you age, this video is for you, because today you will learn about one powerful food that helps seniors rebuild muscle naturally and stay strong longer. Many adults across the United States think muscle loss is normal after 50, but the truth is your body can still build and protect muscle when it receives the right nutrition and daily support. Doctors call age-related muscle loss sarcopenia, but studies show it can be slowed and even improved through proper protein-rich foods and healthy habits. One of the best muscle rebuilding foods for seniors is eggs. Yes, simple, affordable eggs that most people already have in their kitchen. Eggs contain high-quality protein that provides all essential amino acids the body needs to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. They also contain vitamin D, B12 and healthy fats which support muscle strength, energy and nerve function. When seniors do not get enough protein, muscle fibers slowly weaken, causing fatigue, balance issues and lower strength. Eating eggs regularly helps give muscles the building blocks they need to stay strong and active. The best way for seniors to eat eggs is in the morning or at lunch, when the body can use protein for muscle repair throughout the day. 2 eggs per day is usually enough for most seniors to support muscle health without excess calories. Boiled, scrambled or lightly cooked eggs are easier to digest and retain nutrients. Pairing eggs with vegetables like spinach, tomatoes or peppers increases vitamin intake and supports joint and heart health. Within 1 to 2 weeks, many seniors notice improved energy, less weakness and better endurance. Within a month, muscle tone often feels firmer and daily activities become easier. One 68-year-old man from Ohio shared that after adding eggs to his breakfast he felt stronger climbing stairs and no longer needed frequent rest breaks. A 72-year-old woman from California said her arms felt steadier and she could carry groceries more easily after 3 weeks. These improvements happen because protein stimulates muscle repair, especially when combined with light movement. To maximize results, seniors should include gentle walking, resistance exercises or light stretching daily, even for 10 minutes, to activate muscle growth. Hydration is also important because muscles need water to function properly. Avoid skipping meals because long gaps reduce muscle repair signals in the body. Now, an important reminder: seniors with high cholesterol concerns should talk with their doctor about egg intake, but for most people, moderate egg consumption is safe and beneficial according to modern nutrition research. Muscle strength is key for balance, fall prevention, independence and overall quality of life. Weak muscles increase the risk of injury, fatigue and mobility problems. Strong muscles support joints, posture and blood circulation. Rebuilding muscle does not require expensive supplements. It starts with simple whole foods eaten consistently. Eggs are one of the most complete natural protein sources available and are affordable for most families. For additional benefits, combine eggs with foods like beans, yogurt, fish, nuts and vegetables to create balanced meals. This helps the body absorb nutrients more effectively and maintain steady energy levels. Remember, rebuilding muscle takes time, but small daily habits make big long-term improvements. If you want to stay strong, active and independent as you age, supporting your muscles through nutrition is essential. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Senior Health Guide for proven natural health tips for seniors. Share this with someone who wants to feel stronger and healthier every day. Stay active, stay nourished and take care of your body, because strength is possible at every age.